Asalam-o-Alikum and welcome back. So our today topic is about correlation and regression. So what is correlation? Correlation measures the relationship or interdependence or association between two variables in which with the changes in the values of one variable, the value of the other variable also change. So correlation may be positive or negative. So we discuss both the positive and the negative one by one with the help of example as well. So when the two variables move in sympathy with each other in the same direction, they are said to be positively correlated. If values of one variable is associated with the increase in the values of the other variable or decrease in the value of one variable is associated with decrease in the value of other variable. So that correlation is said to be positive because both move it at the same direction or parallelly they move, either they increase or decrease. So this type of correlation is known as positive Now what are the examples of correlation or the positive correlation? So an increase in the amount of rainfall is accompanied by an increase in the agriculture yield per acre. So an increase, the second example is increase in the height of children is usually accompanied by the increase in their weight. Next example, older men usually have older weights. So now what is negative correlation? When the two variables move in sympathy with each other in the opposite direction, so they are said to be negatively correlated. If increase in the value of one variable is associated with the decrease in the value of the other variable or decrease in the value of one variable is associated with increase in the values of other variable. So that correlation is said to be a negative correlation. So what are the examples of negative correlation? Number one is an increase in the issue of television licenses is accompanied by a decrease in the number of cinema admissions. Or a decrease in supply of commodity is accompanied by an increase in the price of that commodity. Next is the volume of gas will decrease as the pressure increase. So what is zero correlation? When increase or decrease in the values of one variable has no effect on the values of other variable, so that correlation will be zero. Now, what is perfect correlation? A perfect correlation exists only when the changes in one variable are precisely proportional with those in the other variable. So perfect correlation is indicated numerically as +1 and -1. So in the next class we will discuss about linear correlation or curve linear correlation or as well as with the scatter diagram as well, like what is positive correlation with the help of diagram and negative correlation.